Welcome to Marjan Tower in the heart of Marina. Today, we're visiting apartment 1203, which is decorated with our beautiful brown luxury vinyl tile LVT flooring. Right as you step in, you'll see our LVT flooring. It's a lovely brown that makes the apartment feel welcoming and stylish. Every bit of this flooring is carefully made, showing how much we care about quality. The great thing about our flooring is how it fits with every room in the apartment. It doesn't matter if it's the living room, the bedrooms, or the hallway, our flooring makes it all look classy and put together. Not only does this flooring look good, but it's also easy to keep clean. It can handle anything from a little spill to lots of people walking on it, all while staying looking great. Usually, water-prone areas can have problems with water, but not with our flooring. We've made sure to install it so no water can get under the tiles. That way, the flooring lasts longer and keeps looking its best. We're proud to show you apartment 1203 today. It's a perfect example of what our flooring can do to make any space feel like a luxury home. Every single detail, from the biggest rooms to the smallest corners, is made better with our flooring. We're not just selling flooring, we're selling a chance to make your home look amazing. We're proud of the work we did installing the flooring here in Marjan Tower, and we'd be happy to do the same for your home. If you want to give your home the same stylish, high-end feel as this apartment, all you have to do is get in touch with us. We're here to help make your dream home a reality.